everybody. I am so excited. I just came back from vacation last night and I am about to show you a tour of my new office. We did some renovations and I haven't seen it myself. So I'm gonna take you on a tour and I start seeing patients here tomorrow. So come along with me and let's check it out. Okay, so we just walked up the stairs and we're gonna go up, but there's an elevator that you can also use. Alright, let's check it out. Okay. We're gonna put on our lights. This is our waiting room. I almost said living room, but check out our new rug, our comfy chairs. The whole idea of this practice, my kids are with me obviously, the whole idea of this practice is just to make it a very nice environment and kind of a non-sterile and non-medical situation. Okay, so when you come in, you can get some water, you can get some tea, and let's take a look at this beautiful sign, Lamorinda Gynecology and Surgery. We had the sign made. So this is actually supposed to be hanging up a little bit, so we need to work on that. But this is our logo here. Okay, so as I mentioned, we are opening tomorrow. We have some fun gifts for our patients for the first week. Okay, so this is my new office. I love this rug. I've got a standing desk, brand new chair. I'm still waiting for like other furniture, but really excited for my new office. Plenty of light. Also where I'm going to do all my social media videos. All right, and then I want to show you one of our exam rooms. So we've got our table. We have brand new honeycomb drapes on all our windows. I love this wallpaper. This is clouds, and we have a different color in every room. There we go. This office has 6 exam rooms, so we probably won't be using all of those at the same time, but let me show you. Again, the whole feel of this office is supposed to be calm, very spa-like. We're still waiting for some beds to come in. I also want to show you guys the bathrooms, which are here. So we've got really cool tile. The colors of our office are teal and orange, so I went with teal. Unfortunately, our sinks arrived broken, so we are waiting for some replacement sinks. But this is, I love the ambiance here. And I want to show you the other bathroom, which is orange tile. So check it out. And once the sinks come in, or new sinks come in, this will be fully functional. Okay, and let's continue. Okay, so this is our staff lounge. We have a really nice table, chairs, all new appliances, and it's just I wanted to create a space where we're not just having lunch, but this is where we're going to have our team meetings. If we're meeting other doctors or reps, you know, just a nice space to hang out. So this is our office in a nutshell. All right, I love how bright it is, how just light and airy this is. And we can't wait to start seeing patients here tomorrow. We have a little ways to go, still waiting for some, you know, sconces and waiting for this sign to go up, and you know, definitely little things that we need to do. Once it's all done, I'm going to show you guys again. But if you are in the Lamorinda area, you're looking for a gynecologist, definitely come check us out. We provide boutique gynecologic care through all phases of life. So myself and Dr. Christensen, and we look forward to providing you the best care. See you later.